Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll make jollof spaghetti. Simple and tasty. Here I have my list of ingredients. I have my spaghetti, then I have my chicken stock. You can use beef, any protein of your choice. Then I have my frozen veggies already chopped. I have my tomato sauce. I've already prepped it. I've fried it to remove the tangy taste. Then my chicken already fried also. I have my curry powder, my black pepper, garlic, Maggi cubes, salt, paprika, cinnamon powder, chopped white onions, and my vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower vegetable oil for this recipe. So let's get into the kitchen. Firstly, I'll boil the water. Then I'll add my spaghetti. But before I add the spaghetti, I'll add salt and some oil to it. Yes, the spaghetti, adding salt at this initial time helps the spaghetti to absorb the salt and also improve the taste. Then I'll add my oil. This oil will help it not to stick together. You can also add margarine or butter if you don't want to use vegetable oil. So the next process is to add the spag. This is optional. If you want to add it this way, no problem. If you want to break it, no problem. For this recipe, I just want to leave it long. I will not break it. I just want it to be long. You know when you're eating it while it's long, as in that's drama, or how is it drama? As while eating it, you'll be sucking it, you'll be doing that is fun. So I'll leave this to cook for 20 minutes. I'll parboil it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll take it off the heat and sieve it. So let's leave it to cook for 20 minutes. Minutes later, I'll take it off the heat and sieve it. Yes, after 20 minutes, spaghetti is tough. I'll take it off the heat and sieve it. Then back to the sauce. I'll add just half cooking spoon of vegetable oil to my pot. The pot is already heating. I won't add much oil to this because I already have oil in the tomato sauce, so no need to add much oil to it. Then I'll add my chopped garlic and the onions and saute it for like 2 minutes. Then in there, I'll add the frozen vegetable and also saute it. It's good to saute your vegetable. If you know you're keeping the spaghetti maybe till night, just saute the vegetable. This will prevent the food not to sour early. But if you know you're eating it immediately, you can add the vegetable last. So next I'll add the tomato sauce, I've already prepped this tomato sauce to remove the tangy taste. I fried the tomato with oil, but because I'm using tomato paste. But if it's fresh tomato, I can just saute it alongside with the vegetable because tomato is already a vegetable. I'll mix this very well, then add my chicken stock to it. After which I'll add all the spices. This stage you just bring and put, get everything and put. To make this recipe is very easy. It doesn't take time. I'm adding my Maggi cube, my seasoning. Then I'll start adding all the spices one after the other. That is the curry. I'm adding 1/4 tablespoon of curry powder. Then I'll add the black pepper, 1/4 tablespoon of ground black pepper. I'm not adding much because I've already added pepper to the stock, so the stock is already spicy. It has pepper, salt and everything, so I'll just minimize the spice I'm adding to this. I've added the cinnamon powder. Now is the paprika. Yes, I like using paprika sometimes for my spaghetti because I love the color it gives the spaghetti. It helps to pop out the red color to it. At this moment, I'll test it to know if everything is well combined. I think I have to add more salt to it. Just minimize the way you add your salt. I have to minimize the way I'm adding the salt because you know I parboil the spag with salt, so I have to be very careful with salt. It's not good to add too much salt to your meal. Yeah, everything is okay. Now I'll just pour in the spaghetti and mix it thoroughly. Mix it very well. Then add the fried chicken. So the fried chicken can also absorb some fluid, which also helps it to be tasty. Already the chicken is already tasty, but just for it to absorb more. Then we're almost through with this cooking process. I'll just leave it for 10 minutes. You know, the spaghetti is already soft and already cooked. Just 10 minutes for this to simmer. I'll leave it for 10 minutes to simmer. 10 minutes later, that is our delicious spaghetti. Yummy spaghetti, tasty spaghetti, very easy to make. Wow, I can't wait to eat this. Come and join me. Thank you for watching till this moment. See you in my next video. Bye.